Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1986 560SL. Beautiful Roadster. I got the owner, Jeff, here, and tell us a little bit about him. What are you doing today, Jeff?
She's my favorite little car, actually. I just I don't have time to drive her, and don't like to leave her sitting. So it's time to move her along to someone who can really appreciate it. Drive her up to Newport a couple, 3 times a year, and she's been a great runner for me. I've owned her about 5-6 years, and I just you know, I hate to see her go, but if you don't drive them, you can't keep them.
Yeah, beautiful color combination, very rarely seen.
That's why I bought it. You just don't see this color anywhere, and I get a lot of people looking at it, a lot of thumbs up and honks on the road.
Cool.
Yeah,
Finished.
Good to me. Drive her anywhere.
Dark blue, burgundy interior. Timing chain was just done. Converted R34, so it's got the newer style air conditioning in it, which is good. Custom sound system.
Yeah, just spent $1,500 on a stereo on this.
Nice. So you got a custom compass in there as well. Original interior. These really hold up well.
Yeah, she's comfortable, no doubt.
Such a nice heavy ride in these cars, you know.
Comes with the hardtop. The hardtop is painted white.
Oh,
looks
cool.
Pretty cool on the car, actually.
Yeah, very nice color combination. Showing 109,000 miles. Odometer stopped at 109. It's got about $1.25, right?
I would say something in that area.
Yeah. Alpine stereo. Definitely rocks. Outside temperature and compass. Six by 9s back there. Those are focal. Those are very high-end speakers. 5.6 liter 8-cylinder. These cars move along really well. They're fast when you have to push the pedal all the way to the floor. A lot of the guys that drive these cars really baby them around town, but they're quick. As fast as a comparable Corvette back in the day. Want to fire it up? Nice big aluminum radiator so it stays cool. Runs nice, huh, Jeff? Such a nice car. Love it. Anything that doesn't work? Or maybe need a little attention on?
The air conditioning needs to be recharged. From what I understand, it's a convertible. I don't see a need for air conditioning, so I never did anything.
Yeah, top down.
And the antenna doesn't work, and I can't figure out what it is. I just assume put a new antenna in.
There you go. Well, thanks guys for joining us today. My name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out some more pictures, information, pricing, and detail on our website, WeBe Autos. We do offer worldwide shipping and financing, so give us a call. Chat about it. Thanks, Jeff.
Got it.